Today, we're diving into the exciting world of iOS 18 public beta for the iPhone 11. I'll show you what's new and how to install it. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about some of the standout features in iOS 18. Number 1, improved messages. The Messages app has a fresh look with new stickers and enhanced search capabilities to find your chats more easily. Number 2, interactive widgets. You can now interact with your widgets directly on the home screen, whether it's checking off a to-do or controlling music. FaceTime upgrades. You can now use video effects and spatial audio during FaceTime calls, making your conversations feel more immersive. Number 4, standby mode. When your phone is charging, it can transform into a smart display showing you the time, weather, and even your calendar. Number 5, Safari privacy features. Enhanced privacy settings will keep your browsing data more secure, giving you more control over your online activity. Now that you know what's new, let's go through the installation process for the iOS 18 public beta. Before anything else, make sure to back up your iPhone. You can do this via iCloud or iTunes. Now open Safari and go to the Apple Beta Software Program website. You can go there by typing beta.apple.com. Here, simply click on Enroll your iOS device. Sign in with your Apple ID. Once you've signed in, simply go back to Settings, scroll down, go to General, and on Software Update, you can find the beta version. You can simply install it. Keep in mind that beta software can be unstable, so it's best to install it on a secondary device if possible. You might encounter bugs or performance issues as Apple continues to refine the software. And that's a wrap. You're now ready to explore all the new features of iOS 18 on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.